Push-up, bottom hold on P-bars. Are you a gymnastics skill seeker looking to increase your horizontal pushing strength and push-up numbers? If so, you'll want to add isometrics such as the bottom push-up hold into your training program. Isometrics are a great way to build strength in the weak position of any movement. The weak link in the push-up is often the bottom position. Start by setting the P-bars to be 1 cubit distance apart. A cubit is the distance from the tip of your elbow to the point of your middle finger. Before moving into the top of the push-up, place the feet together and actively push the heels of the feet together. This will allow you to create tension in the lower body muscles and it'll help you to increase core activation. Next, lift the feet off the floor and contract your quads to straighten the legs. Set a strong posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting your glutes and tucking your tailbone between your legs. Remember to push the inside edge of the feet together, as this will increase the glute contraction. After establishing a nice hollow body shape, you want to externally rotate the shoulders by twisting your hands into the P-bars towards your pinky fingers. The elbow pits will face forward, which will help you to keep the elbows close by your sides as you lower down to the bottom position. From the top position, initiate the movement by moving the shoulders forward and keeping the elbows close to the torso. The legs must be straight and the pelvis must remain in PPT as you lower to the bottom of the push-up. Maintain the hollow body shape and do not allow the hips to pike. The aim is to have the elbows vertically stacked above the wrists or slightly forward of the wrists, but never behind the vertical line of the wrists. As you get stronger, you can move the shoulders forward to increase the load on the shoulders and make the movement even harder. This can be used as a progression towards bent arm planche movements. Lower down so that the shoulders are just above the P-bars and think about pinching your shoulder blades together behind the back while keeping the shoulders depressed. Do not allow the shoulders to shrug up towards the ears. The movement can also be made harder by using a lower set of P-bars. If you don't have a lower set of P-bars, you can increase the height of the feet by placing them on an elevated surface. I'd suggest holding the bottom of the push-up for 10 to 60 seconds depending on the training phase and your goals. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.